The mutable trap happens when multiple variables point to the same object, and changing one variable unexpectedly changes the other variable's object also. It's mean, let's see an example here. Here the list 1 and list 2 are assigning the same object, means the variable list 1 and list 2 have assigned one list, both having the same list. Now list 1 and list 2 refer to the same list in memory also. When we append item, means adding one more item in list 1, means list 1 will get 1, 2, 3 and 4 element in a list. So appending 4 to list 1, it will changes appear also in list 2 because the same object is referring to both label list and list 2. Because of this, when we print list 2, the list 2 will also have the same element added in the list 1 also and list 2 also. You can see output has 1, 2, 3, 4. So to secure from this trap, always copy the mutable object, means list 2 will copy the list 1. By this, list 2 will not change when the list 1 is changing, because the trap is happen because the lists are mutable. So changing one variable will change the other variable also if both variables are pointing to the same object.